Hi everybody, it's Ken from KDTS in Langley, British Columbia. So today we're going to show you how to run the updates in QuickBooks Desktop Edition. For the purposes of this video, we're using QuickBooks 2020. So we're going to log into the program. Now you don't actually need to log into your company file itself. So when the login screen comes up, you can hit just cancel. Go up to Help, go to Update QuickBooks Desktop, go to the Update Now tab, and then hit Get Updates. So you should do this regularly, but it is set by default to automatically check. So it'll run down. The first time you run it, it's quite slow because it downloads everything. The next time that you do it, it usually runs through really quickly unless there is an update. The big ones are usually the maintenance releases, and those tend to come out about every quarter or so. Typically speaking, when you run it, it'll say install pending if there's one that it needs to close the program and reopen. But a lot of them just get applied on the fly. So after you've hit Get Updates, it'll run through, it'll do its thing, it'll say update complete. At that point, I would go close the program, and then reopen the program. Again, you don't need to log in, so we're just going to go back to QuickBooks Update, Update Now, and I usually like to do it a second time just to make sure. So if nothing further has come up, we close, exit the program, and if there is a maintenance release, typically speaking, when you open it, it's going to pop up and say we need to do an update, and it'll just automatically go through that process. If you are working in a environment where there's a server hosting the file, on major version changes and some maintenance releases, you have to upgrade the database server as well. That only is in the case where you're working on a file that's hosted on a different computer. But if you're working on your own computer, this is all you need to do. If it requires updating the QuickBooks company file, the next time that you open the file, it'll prompt you and say, we need to upgrade the company file to match the version of software that you have. It'll walk you through doing a backup prior to, and then it'll do the update and open your file. So really straightforward, and something that you should do regularly. You do want to make sure that your payroll taxes and all the updates are applied. As I said, by default it is set to automatically notify you, so you should get pop-ups whenever there is updates, but it's a good idea to check maybe once a month and just go up there to ensure that there isn't any updates or critical fixes required. So again, it's very simple. You go to Help, Update QuickBooks Desktop, go over to the Update Now tab, and just hit Get Updates. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe, and look for more videos in the future. Thanks a lot. Hi there, and thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and watch some more. Thanks.